Hello everyone, it's cooking time with Mimi and D-Nice.
Hi.
Did you do something nice today for someone? We're going to do something nice for each other. We're going to make shortbread. Ooh, so simple. It's 3 ingredients. So easy. The ingredients are sugar, flour, butter. Butter. Round pan.
8-inch.
And here we go. We're going to get ready to make some shortbread. All right.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grease the pan. You can do that with butter or handy dandy spray. I'm going to do this over the sink so I don't make a mess on my counter. Okay, nice and coated. Second thing. Step 2 is the flour. You're going to use this sieve so it makes, when the flour goes through, it becomes light and airy. And you do that over a large bowl. You don't want to do that over your counter. You don't want to make a mess. And put it low to the bowl so that way it doesn't go all over.
Do you want to hold the bowl up for a little bit so they see what we mean? Okay, a little bit at a time.
Now you're going to be
shaking. See, I'm shaking.
You're going to be using 1.5 cups of flour.
And that's what sieving is.
You could also just go back and forth. You don't even have to tap it.
Oh, it's the way my mommy taught me.
My mom actually had a sifter, and it was.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Oh,
an actual sifter.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Now that you have the flour sifted, you're going to cut the butter into small little pieces.
And I did that already. And I'll show you what I did. I piled 2 on top of each other and then quartered them.
Now you're going to want to use a blunt knife, which means it's not sharp, it's not serrated, it's not got the real points on it. So a butter knife would be your best bet.
All right.
Okay.
Next thing we do is
put it in the flour.
Put it in the flour. Okay.
You're going to add them to the bowl.
A little bit at a time or the whole dish of butter?
You can put them all in.
Okay.
Because what you're going to do is you're going to have to wash your hands before you do this.
Okay.
And, you're going to be mixing with your hands. So make
Ooh,
sure
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Ooh. I think I'll take off my ring. D-Nice is ready to play in the bowl.
All right. So you're going to coat the butter with your fingers, okay? Coat it with the flour, I should say.
See? The flour is covered all over the butter, all right?
Now you're rubbing them, you're mushing them. You're not leaving them whole, so you're going to squeeze them as you're coating them. It's nice and gooey and ooey. And...
Okay.
Here, let's lift this up
so you can see. I'm in there, I'm taking them, I'm giving it a little squeeze, rolling it around in the sifted flour, squeeze. This is kind of fun. I love the texture of this. Oh, it reminds me of the sensory bin we did in one of the other episodes.
That's right.
Love that. Feel it. Are you ready? Look. That's what happens when you push the butter and the flour together. This is fun. This is like slime, only it's going to be delicious. Okay.
Okay, so you're going to keep rubbing the butter until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. And then we're going to stir in some sugar. All right?
Okay.
And you're going to use a wooden spoon. Make sure it's a wooden spoon. So I'm going to give you the spoon.
Okay.
Or do you want me to... Well, you got to put that back.
I think you're going to help me.
Wait, here.
They don't want to come off.
I think you mixed too much. Okay.
No, this was fun, though.
All right, so we're going to put the... There's my puppies. I'll be right back.
3 ingredients. How simple is that? You and your family could have so much fun making a simple shortbread recipe.
Okay, so you're going to make this into a ball now. You're going to hold the bowl with one hand while you take the other hand and work this into a ball. All right, so since you already have the butter on your hands, you're up.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm going to use another spoon to get the rest of the butter off of this spoon so we don't miss any. goodness here. Okay, so now you have your bowl of butter and sugar and flour, and you are going to press that down with a spoon.
I love the cookie dough.
After
That's good.
pressing the mixture with the spoon, you're going to take a fork, and the tines of the fork, pardon me, 1, 2, 3, 4, are going to press into the outside edges to make little a decoration. Like that. All the way around your mixture.
Pretty.
All right,
Okay.
finish that.
All right.
And then you're going to cut it into kind of like a pizza. You're going to cut it into triangles with the blunt knife and then put it in the oven to bake. And you're going to bake it for 30 minutes we've preheated the oven to 325 degrees. You're going to bake it for 30 minutes until golden brown.
This is so simple. I mean, the hardest part was just smoothing the dough out into this 8-inch greased pan. That was it. Okay.
Ready to go
Not
into
bad.
the oven.
Come on. 3 ingredients, come with me. Oven
They can't see us. by
and open. There we go. Okay. We'll see you in a little bit. When it's done, we'll be back.
So my buzzer just went off. It's time to check on the shortbread. Let's see. Oh, can you see in here? It's golden brown. Look at that. Make sure an adult helps you and always wear oven mitts. You don't want to burn yourself. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to let it cool for 5 minutes, and then you're going to put it on a cooling rack. And then after it hardens and it cools off enough, you get to enjoy it. Yum. And I'm so looking forward to that. So, see you in 5. Look how good this looks. I'm so excited to try it. Should we try it?
Yes, we should.
All right, I'm gonna break it in half and share it with my friend D Nice.
Thank you. That's a nice thing to do for someone.
Okay. Okay. Here's a piece for you.
Thank you. Shortbread for D Nice.
All right, let's taste
Cheers.
it. Do we think it's gonna be a thumbs up, a thumbs sideways, or a thumbs down? What do you think?
Let's give it a go. Crunchy.
Definitely buttery. Tastes just like shortbread. I give it a thumbs up.
I do too. Such a simple recipe. Thank you so much for sharing.
And I hope you try this at home. And if you do, please post it on your social media and tag us at Kids Stories and More on Instagram, or Kids Stories and 1, the number 1, on Twitter. We love seeing your finished products and to see you enjoying our activities. Well, like, subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. D Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.